Hola, estudiantes. Here's Dr. Ryan. I'm doing a third video for you. This one has to do with your compositions. Up to now, we haven't written any compositions, but next week, you'll have to start writing your compositions for the chapter. Everything up to now has been preparation for that. So we've done some grammar, some orthography, or writing rules, and since this video has to do more with procedure, I've decided to do it in English rather than in Spanish to facilitate that for you. If in order to explain the general rules for submitting any composition for this class, I've decided to use your first composition as an example. So if we go to Taller de Escritores, your book, and we look at the assignment that's due next week, this is your first composition. And if we take a look here, right after it says tema de composición, and it says elige una de estas opciones. So you have to just pick one of the prompts. You don't have to do more than one, just one. And your composition should only be between 150 and 200 words, double spaced. And I wanted just to remind you to follow the instructions on how to uh, turn in your compositions for this class under the section on Canvas, the tab that's called Pages. And we'll look at that. But I just want to look at this first composition as an example, and it has lots of different choices you could make. So you just have to choose one of the choices, one, two, or three, and even within one, they give you choices, but you only have to choose one. And then follow the instructions to write your composition. Now, those are the specific instructions for this chapter. However, there are some general instructions that you can find under the Pages tab on Canvas. And so let's go there so that we can see what we need to do. So if we look, we scroll down on the Pages tab again, and we look at instructions for submitting compositions, and you click on that. Then we get a link and we click on that. And if we open that document, we see a document that has instructions for how you should format your composition. And it has some very important things that I want to point out. For example, you need to submit a Word file. If you look at VHL Central, if you look at there's two different options. If you look at the assignment, there's two different options. You can either upload a file, which is what I want you to do, or you could simply write in this box. The box has limitations for what we want to do in this class. So I would ask you not to type in the box. I would ask you to upload a Word file. And again, the instructions can be found under the Pages tab in Canvas. And so you need to put your name on the composition, on the Word file. You need to double space your composition. You need to do a word count and include that at the bottom of your composition so that I know how many words your composition is. And there's a feature on Word which tells you how many words so you don't have to go counting every single one. And then you upload your assignment, just like you would on Canvas, but you don't upload it on Canvas. You upload it on the SuperSite, okay? And so those are the general instructions, and it doesn't get more difficult than that. If we go back to let's go back to the assignment. So in order to upload or to submit a composition, you would upload a file. You click on this. You choose a file from your hard drive, and then scroll down to the bottom. And down here, there are two options in the bottom right-hand corner, either to save it or to submit it. And of course, you want to submit it. You don't just want to save it. Saving would just save it to the file, right? So it would save it to your program, but it doesn't submit it to me, so I wouldn't be able to see it. So make sure that you submit it. And those are basically all the instructions on submitting the composition. The most important thing is for any of these compositions, you would be submitting them in a Word document. You do not type in the box that's on the super site. Have a nice day. Thank you.